Welcome to Jim's Excellence. Today I'll be talking about the specification and review of the new, not quite new though, I'll be talking about the HP x360 Convertible from AMD. As you can see, this is the laptop with its thin frame, superb finishing, slim and sleek. It's a new product, although this is the 2019 model, and it's amazing. It's very amazing. Today I'll be putting you through the reviews. It's quite hard to get up. This is it. Okay, can you see what it looks like? See what it looks like? It's a very amazing set piece. Very amazing. Okay, here is the power button. This is the power button. This one. Switch on. You see, it has a light. Laptop comes on. See, it uses the facial recognition software. I've already signed it in. This laptop has some nice Geek benchmark score. A very nice Geek benchmark score. It has a score of single core is 2585, then the multi-core is 8203. It houses a RAM of 8 gig, DDR4 SDRAM of 300 mHz. The notch bridge is AMD Ryzen SoC00, and the south bridge is AMD Carrizo. The BIOS is AMI F31, and the processor, it has a very nice processor. It has a processor of the AMD Ryzen 5. As you can see, this is it, the AMD Ryzen 5 Radeon graphics, and a very amazing trackpad. Very amazing trackpad. It has a base frequency of, okay, let me show you the base frequency so you can see it yourself. Sorry, the light is obstructing. It's a fingerprint. You go to this PC, you go to computer. When you go to computer, you see system properties. To show you that, so you can see it. You see Radeon Vega. It's an amazing set piece. HP tried a lot here. I've seen the higher versions of this laptop, and they are quite amazing. Actually, if you have the amount to get this done, it's better we go for this. It has an Intel version also. The Intel is nice, but I think it's time to give AMD a try with this Ryzen graphics. This is a Ryzen 5. It also has a Ryzen 7. Ryzen 7 is way higher than this one, and it's nice. It came with a Bang & Olufsen speaker. Amazing sound quality. I think this one has no fingerprint, because if you search for its fingerprint properties, it's going to tell you, okay, press hello, set up fingerprint signing. We can't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with this device, so it has no fingerprint scanner, but it has the rest of this. It has the Windows Hello face, which I'm currently using, the Windows Hello pin, security key, password, and picture password. It's an amazing system, amazing set piece. I will say anytime, any day, if you have an option to choose, between these and the, let me say, the other x360s, it's better you go for an AMD version is good. I think this color is for the AMD only. AMD version only comes with this color, and that's nice. This is how the back looks like. So sleek, slim, very amazing. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has no HDMI, but all the same, one amazing stuff it came with is that it has the wireless sharing. You can connect to your TV wirelessly without the HDMI. Okay, let me show you an example. Okay, when you click on connect to a wireless display, it brings out the number of wireless displays available. You click, I have a 65-inch TV in the house. Instead of using the HDMI, it connects wirelessly to the TV, which is very amazing. You don't need anywhere you are, you must have to be like, let me say, it connects as far as 10 feet. Okay, click on it. Connecting to it. See what's writing on the TV. And here we go. You see, it needs no HDMI. You can work on it, do whatever you want, and it's swift and fast. Do whatever you want with it. It's quite an amazing display, very amazing, all thanks to HP. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is why it came without a HDMI port. It's an amazing stuff, amazing system. Go, please